Oboshanti, Ayabingi, and all the churches, EWF, welcome. The whole world of people, if your respect is to the King of Kings, then my respect is given unto you. Jah Rastafari. We are the gods of the world. We make the decisions. We can make some better ones. Yeah. Some people are going on like if them go to space and bring back some chemicals when they're on earth to help me. The earth is the I am and the fullness thereof. Every poison and every cure is here on earth. Now for millions and millions and millions of years, the sun it shine, the breeze blow, the trees grow. Why do they grow? For you and I. Without you and I, it would be a waste of time. The Most High, our Creator, has created all. And some man want to sell it. They want to sell ear. They want to sell them, find out a little knowledge. Who has a medicine and millions of people are dead and say him now cure them unless him get money? Point him out, make me see him. Trample the beast! Trample the beast! All negativity, underfoot. Trample him down. Go down, Satan, with your wickedness. For millions of years, Mama Earth has kept me alive, generation to generation to generation. You just come where they're gone and take nature in your laboratory and say you are fine ways. Yeah? Or you can find a way better than 76 trillion years of physical being. And say you just come 100 years and you know it. People stick to your nature. Give thanks and praises to the children. Teach them well. Bring them to occasions like this. Make them hear real things. Make them experience real vibes. And we must respect those that went before us. Those that went through great tribulation and learned the knowledge and give up their time to the King of Kings and did good works. Feed the poor. Not only with food, but with righteous medicine. Not only with righteous medicine, but with righteous words and deeds. So we give thanks for all of those as well who wanted to be here, but couldn't make it. Jah Rastafari. So have joy in your heart and say, Jah Rastafari. Who run the world? Jah. Who run things round here? Jah. Who is the King of Kings? Who is the Lord of Lords? Who is the conquering lion? Jah. And there's nothing they can do about it. We shall rule the world once more. Eyes is eye.